Hi everyone, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is data types in Python. Every variable is associated with a data type. Okay, what is variable? Variable is a container which stores the values. See here 500. 500 is integer data type. 30.05 is a float data type. True or false is a boolean data type. See double quotes of ABC, single quotes of ABC. This is a multi-line string within single triple quotes. This is a string data type. A equal to 5 plus 6j, complex data type. Okay, let us check in Jupyter notebook. Just A equals to 500. Okay, print A value. Okay, A value is 500. Now type of A. Shift enter. Type of A is int data type. Okay, the next A equals to 30.05. Now let us find out what is the type of A. Here the type of A is float. Okay. The same way A equals to true. Let us find the type of A. A value is true. Now type of A. Type of A is bool. Bool means boolean data type. Next, we'll check with string. Okay. Yes equals to first single quotes of hello Python. Okay. Print the S value. Hello Python. Type of S. Type of S is what? String. Then S equals to double quotes of welcome to technical code with AJ. So yes contains welcome to technical code with AJ. Type of S. Type of S is string. Okay. It is single quoted string, double quote string. Now let us check with multi-line string. Triple quotes. Okay. Google Chrome is my favorite browser. My Google Chrome is my favorite browser. Now let us print the S value. See, /n. /n means what? New line. Google Chrome is, then again new line, my favorite browser. Okay, let us check the type of S here. Type of S. Type of S is string. Now let us consider a variable A equals to 5 plus 6j. Okay, 5 is what? Real part. 6 plus j is what? Imaginary part. Okay, in Python we consider imaginary part as j, but in real world we denote complex part as what? I. In mathematics we denote 5 plus 6i, but in Python complex numbers are denoted by j. Let us print a, then type of a, type of a is complex. Okay, these are the basic types of data types in Python. I hope you understood the concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.